Why clean your laptop and smartphone?
Regularly cleaning your electronic devices is essential to keep them working smoothly and to protect your health. Dust, dirt, and oils from your hands can build up quickly, affecting performance and appearance. Proper cleaning not only makes your devices look better, but also helps prevent overheating and spread of germs, ultimately prolonging their lifespan.
What supplies do you need?
Use soft, lint-free cloths, isopropyl alcohol, at least 70%, and cotton swabs. Avoid harsh chemicals, paper towels, or abrasive cleaners that can scratch surfaces. If you want, get disinfecting wipes made for electronics. Never spray liquids directly onto your device. Always apply them to the cloth instead.
How do you safely clean the screen?
Turn off and unplug your device. Gently wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth, using a bit of isopropyl alcohol or a special screen cleaner if needed. Avoid too much moisture. Don't press hard, as this can damage the screen. Let the screen air dry briefly before turning your device back on.
What about the keyboard, buttons, and ports?
Use a dry cloth or cotton swab to remove dust and debris from keys and ports. For sticky grime, lightly dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and wipe gently. Compressed air can help blow out crumbs or dust from keyboards and ports, but do so carefully and from a safe distance.
How often should you clean devices?
Aim to clean high-touch areas like screens and keyboards at least once a week. If you use your devices in public or share them with others, consider cleaning them even more often. Regular maintenance prevents buildup and keeps your devices hygienic and functional.
Are there any common cleaning mistakes?
Avoid using household glass cleaners, bleach, or too much water. Don't spray liquids directly onto electronics or press too hard on fragile surfaces. Always unplug and power down devices before cleaning. These simple precautions help you avoid accidental damage and keep your laptop and smartphone working their best.